Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to create a one-page file of your stickers, of the stickers that we made in PowerPoint and in PNG format. I'll also show you how to create each individual sticker in PNG format with transparent background. So let's start. I opened a new PowerPoint file to show you how to set it up. So when you open it, this is the screen that will come up, and if you want to change the paper size or the size of the slide, you go to design and click slide size and custom slide size, and then can click portrait and adjust the width to 8.5 by 11. Okay, then just choose any of the two, doesn't matter. Okay, let's remove this. Now I will just copy the one-page sticker that we created. I'll just click here and then Control A or select all, and then press copy or Control C, and I will put then Control V. Okay, now before we work on this, I would also like to show you how to make use of the ruler and the guides in PowerPoint. So when you click view, you better make sure that you have ruler and guides checked. So you have the ruler here on top and the ruler here on the side. They are in inches, so you know basically how big are your stickers. We also have guides here. This one, the dotted line in the middle. If you want to create another one, you click Control and then click this guide, and then just drag it to where you want to put your guide. So here. Okay, let's just make another one. Control and click and drag. Okay. So basically, you know that this sticker size is more or less 2.5, more or less 2.5 inches long. And then if you take a look at this flower sticker, for example, it is more or less 1 inch. You can also delete this if you want. Just right click and delete. Let's just adjust this. If you want just to adjust, just click and drag. So this flower sticker is at least 1 inch. But if you want to be sure about the size of your sticker, you can go to format, and here on the right side you can see the exact size of your sticker. You can also adjust it if you like. So for example, I'll adjust this to 2.5. So that's exactly 2.5, and if you want, for example, this one to be 0.5, so that's the size. Okay, now to create the sticker in PNG format with transparent background, you can save this as a picture or PNG file. So first, make sure that all the different layers of your sticker are grouped together. Okay, for example, this one is not grouped together, so you will see that if you move something, you leave another, and if you save that, you will also not be able to save the whole sticker. So to save it as a group, you just click and drag over that and click group and group, or you can just press Ctrl G for shortcut. Now if you want to save this, for example, as a PNG, you can right click and click save as picture, and let me save it here. Just name it as to do and save. So if we look at the folder where we saved that sticker, you can see it here. Okay. And then if you want to put them all together in a zip file, just click them all or select them all, or press Ctrl A and then right click and then send to compressed zip folder and give it a name. Okay. Now if you want to save this as one PNG sheet, okay, so just press Ctrl A to select all the stickers and then right click, save as picture, and you can actually, I have it already saved here. Let me save it again, give it another name. And if you look there in the folder, there it is. Okay. Now let me just put a blank page. Let's copy one of the stickers, for example this one, and paste it in our blank. And then if we grab another one, like for example this one, as you can see, it has a transparent background because you can see the color of the pink color. You can see the pink color, or if you put it here, you can see the purple color. Here it's white. Okay. Now if you want to save this as a PDF file, you can also do that, but you better if you want a flattened file, so you want to copy the PNG file that you created and paste it to your blank page. And now you can go to save as and then choose a folder or browse folder, then you click PDF and then click options and just save slide number 3. Okay, let's save it here. Sticker sheet PDF. Okay. And here's the PDF version of the sticker sheet. Your buyer can use this to print it on a sticker paper, while the PNG sticker, the sticker in PNG format, you can they can use it as a digital sticker, so they can import it into their file or PDF, for example, and then they can just crop it like that if they want, for example, this border. Okay, as you can see, this is transparent. If you put a background image at the back, see, you can see it's transparent. Okay, so I hope this video will be helpful to you in saving the stickers that you have created. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.